Honor Watch G's Pro Fitness Tracking launched. Honor has expanded its footprint in the smartwatches market by launching the Honor Watch G's Pro and Honor Watch S City FA 2020. In the new series, the Honor Watch G's Pro is designed as a rugged offering with MIL STD810G rated build that is thermal, shock, and water resistant. The Honor Watch G's Pro is claimed to deliver up to 25 days of battery life. Honor Watch G's Pro price has been set at €249.99, roughly 21,600 rupees. Watches will be available for purchase in the European markets starting September 7. However, the Honor Watch G's Pro is set to go on sale in India as well in October. Honor Watch G's Pro specifications. The Honor Watch G's Pro features a circular 1.39-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 454 by 454 pixels. The smartwatch is powered by a Kirin A1 SoC, which is also available on the Huawei Watch GT2 and FreeBuds 3. For location tracking, there is GPS support along with dual satellite positioning systems. The smartwatch also comes preloaded with multi-skiing modes as well as provides outdoor information such as sunrise and sunset times, moon and tidal phases, and bad weather alerts. Further, you'll get 100 workout modes, including 15 professional and 85 customized modes. Honor has provided a list of health tracking features on the Honor Watch G's Pro. These include 24/7 heart rate monitoring, all-night sleep tracking, and SPO2 monitor for blood oxygen level measurements. Additionally, the smartwatch can be used for attending calls using a built-in speaker and microphone or to send and receive messages, without taking out your phone. It also has 4 GB of onboard storage to let you store your music for offline playback. The Honor Watch G's Pro is compatible with both Android and iOS devices, though some features are limited to Android. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.